Basics of 3D modeling and printing are a great step for middle schoolers into the world of 3D modeling, 3D printing, of all of 3D space. So we use Tinkercad and some easy tools, and the students can progress up into Onshape, some of your more advanced tools. But they learn not just the actual clicking the buttons, but they learn to understand what 3D space is, what 2D space is, what something like rendering is, and then also bring that into life with reality and able to 3D print it, to use additive manufacturing. It's a great step, a great program for students, and it makes the classroom really fun. It's not just about printing a toy, printing something. They have to do the design work, the thinking, in a really fun, engaging way. At Milestone C, we maximize student engagement, bring real-world career skills to students, and help teachers and schools keep pace with new age technology. Milestone C provides the curriculum, professional development, continuous coaching and support, and equipment and software as the full package for the classroom. Find out more and contact us at milestonec.com.